Ready to stream, but your OBS sub counter shows sign in error. It kills the hype. Here's a simple fix that solves this for good. So first off, what you want to do is go to YouTube, and we're going to add the sub count first to OBS Studio. So we're going to type in YouTube in the search bar, go to your YouTube profile, YouTube Studio. On here, you'll see your sub count, and then just go where it says go to channel analytics. Here, you'll see all of your analytics and stuff. And what you want to do is see live count. It'll pop up like this on your screen. Now, above here, where you see the highlighted bit, this is the bit you want to copy and paste. So copy it, Control C, and then you bring up OBS. Now you can see my OBS. Now what you want to do is go to your sources. You can do this on vertical or your normal source. Click the plus, click browse, and then just name it like sub count. I'll just sub count 2. Okay. And then you want to delete this link and then copy paste, Control V, your sub link here. And then as you can see, it has shown up. To make it smaller, just hold Alt, go to the square and make it smaller like this, and then that's your sub count on here. But if you get the sign in error, what you want to do is keep the sub count selected on your sources so it's highlighted, and then click on interact right here. And then as you can see, I can interact with this. If I click X, then obviously you can see everything that my Chrome browser would show, but it'll say sign in. Just sign into your Google account, and then what you want to do after it says signed in successful, you want to copy and paste the link of the sub count back into your browser URL here, click OK, and it'll show up. And that's the quick fix. Now I have the sub count already in this where it's transparent. There's no filters or anything on it. So if you do want it where you can make it transparent, right click on the browser source where your sub count is, go to filters, color key, and then you can just copy this and then it will go transparent. See if I go there and it goes transparent like that. So that is your sub count fixed, and that's it transparent for your stream. If this guide saved you a headache, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you like the video because it helps other creators like you find this video to fix their sub count. Let me know in the comments if this quick fix helped you. Now you're set. No more error messages. Just a clean, professional sub count ready for your content. Happy streaming.